The world of smartphones continues to evolve at a breakneck pace, and Sony has once again proven why it's a brand that stands out from the crowd. Today, we're diving deep into the Sony Xperia 2V Ultra, a phone that's not just about specs, but about delivering a truly cinematic and flagship experience for creators, gamers, and tech enthusiasts alike. Right from the first glance, the Xperia 2V Ultra makes a statement. The design is elegant, minimalistic, and premium, a perfect blend of metal and glass that feels substantial in the hand. The curved edges, smooth finish, and polished back give it a luxury feel that commands attention. Sony has clearly focused on building a phone that's as visually stunning as it is technically capable. The front of the device features a 6.8-inch 8K HDR OLED display. Yes, 8K, bringing ultra-sharp clarity and breathtaking color reproduction. With a 120Hz refresh rate, scrolling through apps, watching videos, or playing high-end games feels buttery smooth. Every animation pops, every color is vivid, and the brightness ensures visibility even under direct sunlight. It's a screen made for creators and consumers who demand perfection in every pixel. But the real magic lies in its camera system. The Xperia 2V Ultra boasts a 200-megapixels triple camera setup, co-engineered with Sony's Alpha camera technology. The result is DSLR quality photography and video in your pocket. Low-light shots remain sharp and vibrant, while optical image stabilization ensures your videos stay smooth even when you're on the move. With ultra-wide, telephoto, and periscope lenses, this phone is capable of capturing almost any scene flawlessly. Sony has also added advanced AI imaging, which intelligently adjusts exposure, focus, and color balance to ensure every shot is perfect. Inside, the phone packs the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, paired with up to 16 GB of RAM and lightning-fast UFS 4.0 storage. Multitasking, gaming, and editing large files are effortless. The device runs on Android 14 with Xperia UI, offering a clean, intuitive interface optimized for creators. Whether you're capturing video, editing photos, or streaming, the Xperia 2V Ultra handles everything with ease. Battery life is equally impressive. The 5000 mAh battery supports 80W fast charging, 50W wireless charging, and reverse charging. Sony claims you can get a full day's power in just a fraction of time, making it convenient for creators on the go. Coupled with stereo speakers tuned by Sony engineers and high-res audio support, the device is a multimedia powerhouse. Sony has not forgotten durability either. The Xperia 2V Ultra is IP68 water and dust resistant, giving users peace of mind. The software includes pro-level camera modes such as Cine Tone, Focus Peaking, and Pro